I'm Eric Holland, Arl and Earl's Restaurants. I just came here to talk to you about Section Buddy system. So it's what it is. It's designed to ensure that our tables and our guests are being taken care of at all times. Basically, what happens is, as a unit, we want to work as a team. But when we get into the situation of the actual restaurant in activity, it can be a little bit difficult for our teams to look after an entire restaurant or entire floor. So instead, we just tie them in with their neighbor in their section, and they communicate about what's going on in their section, who's doing what. It doesn't mean that the other person serves their section, but if someone's at a table, they would go there and help out a table that just got sat. For example, for 30-second greetings, clearing plates, drink refills, etc. It helps us hit our logic points, as well as ensure that we're executing on the secret shopper. Implementing it at my store, we just have a sheet in the pass-through which we label who's with who, and then we also mark it on the floor plan just by arrows connecting the two people. And from there, everyone goes there. We talk about it in pre-shift, and then we run the system.
So now that we've introduced the concept of section buddies, you're probably wondering, how am I going to roll this out at my restaurant? This is fairly easy. When your day leader or night leader or one of your shift leaders is writing a floor map, all they need to do is write a little arrow that attaches two sections. So for example, if I'm serving section 1 and Mark is serving section 2, there will be an arrow between the two, so I know that he's my buddy. This will give me the ability to plan and to communicate with him. So during the shift, I can let him know where I'm at, and he knows, and I know where he's at. On top of that, if I see Mark taking an order and another one of his tables gets sat, someone needs to get there in 30 seconds. In order to allow Mark to be completely present at his table, he shouldn't worry about that. So he needs to count on the fact that I'm going to swing by, introduce myself, and let them know that Mark is going to be right over, and take a drink order for this guest so that they feel important. This is going to help us in our quest to providing world-famous guest experiences.